In the realm of law, where words wield immense power, the ability to construct a compelling legal argument is paramount. A well-structured argument serves as the backbone of any successful legal case, providing clarity, persuasion, and credibility to your claims. Without a coherent structure, even the most brilliant legal minds risk losing their audience in a labyrinth of disjointed thoughts and unconvincing assertions. A structured approach ensures that every element of your argument is presented systematically, guiding the judge or jury through your reasoning with ease. This clarity fosters understanding and strengthens your credibility, as it demonstrates a mastery of the legal principles at hand. A disorganized argument, conversely, can create confusion, raise doubts, and ultimately undermine the strength of your case. By presenting your arguments in a logical and organized manner, you provide the court with the necessary tools to comprehend and accept your position. This not only increases your chances of success, but also enhances your reputation as a skilled and persuasive advocate. Therefore, mastering the art of structuring legal arguments is essential for any lawyer seeking to make a lasting impact in the courtroom and beyond. At the heart of effective legal argumentation lies the IRAC method, a time-tested framework that provides a clear and concise structure for presenting your case. IRAC stands for Issue, Rule, Application, and Conclusion. 4 key elements that, when combined effectively, create a persuasive and easily digestible argument. The first step, issue, involves identifying the legal question at the heart of the dispute. This requires a clear and concise statement of the problem that the court is being asked to resolve. Next, the rule section introduces the relevant legal principles or precedents that govern the issue at hand. This is where you establish the legal framework within which your argument will be made. The application section is where you connect the legal rules to the specific facts of your case. This involves demonstrating how the established legal principles apply to the evidence presented, drawing parallels and highlighting key details that support your position. Finally, the conclusion section summarizes your analysis and provides a clear and concise answer to the legal issue presented. By following the IRAC method, you create a roadmap for your argument, guiding the court through your reasoning in a logical and persuasive manner. This structure ensures clarity, minimizes confusion, and maximizes the impact of your legal arguments. While the IRAC method provides a solid framework, crafting truly compelling legal arguments requires attention to several key elements. These elements work in harmony to create a persuasive narrative that resonates with the judge or jury and ultimately secures a favorable outcome. A strong opening statement is crucial for capturing attention and setting the tone for your argument. It should clearly articulate the issue at hand, your desired outcome, and the reasons why your position is justified. Following the opening, a logical flow is essential for maintaining clarity and engagement. Arguments should build upon one another, with each point logically connected to the next, creating a cohesive and persuasive narrative. Legal authority forms the bedrock of your argument, providing credibility and weight to your claims. Citing relevant statutes, case law, and legal precedent demonstrates a thorough understanding of the law and bolsters the validity of your position. Equally important is addressing counterarguments. Acknowledging and effectively refuting opposing views strengthens your position and demonstrates a comprehensive understanding of the legal landscape. Finally, persuasive language is essential for engaging your audience and conveying the strength of your arguments. clear, concise, and impactful language, free from jargon and ambiguity, ensures that your message is effectively communicated and understood. Beyond the fundamental elements of legal argumentation, several techniques can be employed to elevate your advocacy and maximize the impact of your arguments. These techniques add depth and persuasiveness to your presentation, making your arguments more memorable and compelling. Repetition is a powerful tool for emphasizing key points and ensuring that they resonate with the court. By strategically repeating crucial arguments or phrases, you increase their memorability and reinforce their importance in the minds of the judge or jury. Analogies offer another effective technique for simplifying complex legal concepts and making them more relatable. By drawing parallels between legal principles and everyday experiences, you can bridge the gap between abstract legal theory and the practical realities of your case. Emotional appeal, while used sparingly, can be incredibly effective in humanizing your client and creating empathy for their situation. By appealing to the emotions of the judge or jury, you can create a connection that transcends logic and resonates on a deeper level. Rhetorical questions are another valuable tool for engaging your audience and prompting them to consider your perspective. By posing thought-provoking questions, you can guide the court's thinking and subtly lead them towards your desired conclusion.